Welcome to Crofts Estate Agents. My name's Gary Croft. I'm coming to you live from Scartho today. We're looking at a 4-bedroom property on the new estate of Scartho Park. This one is nicely tucked away in the corner. It's a great little prospect. We want to draw your attention to it. It's reduced twice within the last 6 months, but we're looking to finally get this one moving. It's a gorgeous looking property and it's live and interactive. If you have any questions for me, just fire away. I'll try and answer them for you as I read the phone as I go around. I'll give you a view of the property. So the property is on Pasture Lane, and as you come around the estate, it's on the corner. So the back of the property actually faces onto the road. The area that I'm looking at now is actually what you'd normally assume would be the front garden, and this would be the front of the house, but the access to it is sort of down the side of there, through that gate there, and the garage is the building just by the gate down on the corner. But it sits very nicely with superb open views to the bridleway, which runs around the back of the property. This hedge currently is thinned out for the winter, but will thicken out and give really good privacy to the rear, what looks like the front of the property, but it's actually like a rear garden. You can see how high that is and how private that will be when it's done. The garden itself is just laid to turf, as you can see. Easy to maintain, and the front door is obviously there with a path that leads back round to the front. So this property is a 4-bedroom detached. It's on the market for 249,950. Like I say, it has reduced by 10,000. Other models of the same sort of property have gone for more than this, in fact, on the estate. So this one actually is representing a good bargain now, so we want to make sure you see it all. So what we're going to do all the outside areas first before we go internal. So there's a gate here to keep this area private, and we'll go down the gate and we'll open up into the back garden. And the first thing you notice straight away, quite blindingly, is the sun. So we're looking at 1 o'clock here. The sun is shining directly into this area here, which is very private and enclosed, and this is south facing, so a real nice area, especially with what's called the orangery facing this way, being a particularly nice place to sit and enjoy this area. And this area, as the sun goes round, even in winter like we are now, you can see this is a fantastic sunny area with gate out to the back and high wall and fence into the side. So little patio area here. I'll give you a full view of the back of the house before we go out to the parking and round to the side, which is another nice little area. Let's give you this view here. So this is the back of the property. That part there that pops out the bottom is the lounge, and out here is like what's called an orangery, and it's a lovely little extension to the back of the property. So it's all low maintenance turf with path through to what is the front of the property, and a nice area there for patio furniture if you so wished. But what we've got here, because it's a very original distinctive type plot, is a secondary area round to the side, which they've made use of with a hot tub. So as I pan around here, you can see they've built this fantastic little structure over a hot tub, which can be negotiated as part of the sale, again with tall fences all the way around. I'll make my way into this corner to give you one more view of this from a different angle. So there's the hot tub, looking back round to the other side of the orangery and back down towards the gate there. So quite a nice splayed plot from that back gate all the way to the front. So you've got areas to the back and to the side and to this area at the front here where the sun is hitting it and it's south facing. So real original shaped plot here on Pasture Lane in Scartho. 4-bedroom detached house for 250,000. So we're just going out the back gate, and the reason I'm going to go out here is so that you can see whereabouts this is on Pasture Lane. So as you come around the lane, we'll drive down here. If you've gone left on Pasture Lane, not right, come past these houses, and what you'll be able to see is just this gate with our board, and there is the house right in that corner. So you may miss it unless you see our board and not realise what is actually there. But it's a fantastic 4-bedroom property, and as you go around this way, all other houses flow around that way. So whilst I'm out here, I'm just going to show you the parking situation for this property. It's a single garage, but it's attached to the neighbour's garage, so it's a double garage, but the garage we're talking about is the one on the right. Okay, it's got a car parked outside it now. So you've got parking inside the garage, we've got parking outside the garage, and actually behind this car here is actually another space. So there's actually 3 parking spaces in this 4-bedroom property. So fantastic for the family, even with children that drive, or work van, and obviously garage itself for storage or potentially for the car itself. So as you drive past it, you'll probably park there, and then you will come in this gate, or you will come out the garage door if you parked in the garage, which is just here, and we'll come into the property, into the back garden I was just describing to you, and we'll go and have a look in the inside of the property. So just to remind you, we're on Pasture Lane in Scartho. This property is probably built about 5 or 6 years ago now, and some are reselling. So we're going into the orangery now, so I'll show you this room from the inside. You can see quality solid wood doors, glazed doors from the living area into this area. It's a very warm property actually as I come in here. It's very cold outside, it feels gorgeous in here. So you can see this is the orangery, double doors there onto the patio area, plenty of space. These people have decided to use it for a dining room, all double glazed with fitted blinds. It's a real nice area to sit, and as the sun goes round to the right, this area will be in full sunshine. So as I turn around, look at the ground floor living space. What we've got here is a living area, but also a dining area with a breakfast area. Could actually even fit a dining table in this space also, or down that bottom end, because we do have a separate lounge. So it's all been decorated, very modern. It's got a real nice feel to it, this property. It's got a tiled floor for sort of low maintenance and cleaning and practicality in this particular room. Got a radiator there and some pendant lights, and then we open up into the kitchen area. It's got a lovely sort of, I don't know what colour that is, an ochre type colour kitchen there, with a breakfast bar here for 2 or 3 seats. And this is a great living area, which I'll show you another angle. You can see how it works alongside that orangery room there. So inside the kitchen, it's well thought out. We've got a tall fridge freezer there, double oven and grill there, and that's Neff. We've got a gas hob, an extractor. We've got a space for washing machine, dishwasher in the corner, tiled splashbacks with a window with a view to the garden, some under unit lighting, more units around there. So it's a fantastic living dining space going out into the orangery room there. And then we'll go into the middle hall. So if you were to use the front door that is round the back of this property, then that's where you would come in. It's a lovely, nice, spacious area actually, with a nice carpet, nice soft tones on the walls, and a big chandelier they've got in here. And coming off the hallway is the cloakroom, you're expecting any modern house now, with sink. It's all been painted, frosted window to the side, and extractor, just like all modern houses are. As you can see, the doors to all the rooms are all solid wood doors, so a real nice finish to everything. And we have an understairs storage cupboard, which is full of things, I should expect it to be. So as we go into the lounge, again, some great use of colours by the current owners. I'll just pan around and show you this room. So as you saw, it's sort of extended out to the front, and there's plenty of windows in this room, as you can see around the front there. And this really is a sunny aspect coming in there, sort of facing south, and all centred around the TV, which is down this end, with a huge mirror on the far side. So it really is a very nice sized room, this, on Pasture Lane in Scartho. So that's your lounge. As we come out of here, we have one more room on the ground floor to look at, and they've got this as a treatment room. because that's the profession of the lady that works here. And that could either be a study or put to use like this, or maybe even some sort of mini games room for children, or storage room, whichever you want to use it for, with a window to what is the front of the property but is like the back. Okay, and a radiator there and a chandelier to the ceiling. Okay, so that's the ground floor. So just summarising on the ground floor, we've got kitchen, living, dining area, orangery, we've got lounge, we've got further snug office type room to use, we've got the ground floor cloakroom and a nice hallway. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go up to the first floor, and I'll remind you where we are yet again. We're on Pasture Lane in Scartho. It's a 4-bedroom detached property tucked away in the corner with nice south-facing gardens, on the market for $250. We're looking for people to come around and see this for themselves. Really, it's worth a look. I'm going to take you in the master bedroom to start with, upstairs on the first floor. So really some fantastic furniture. I'll just pan around this room and show you what we've got here in the master bedroom. We've got an absolutely huge bed, 2 side tables and built-in wardrobe, so there's no need for much furniture in here really with these wardrobes. They span the entire width of the room with plenty of storage in. Window to the front with fitted blinds, nice grey carpet and neutral decor. I'll just go around and pan around the other way so you can see it from another angle. So the TV on the wall, and that's the door back to the hallway. While we're in here, it's a master suite, so as you'd expect, we've got an ensuite to the master room. So we've got tall chrome radiator, tile walls with complementary decor. We've got a vanity sink and unit underneath, and a toilet, and like a double shower there that's fully tiled with extractor and light and window to the front. If you're noticing, like I'm noticing, it's a very light house, very bright with the sun coming in. So on the landing, it's quite a spacious landing again, with nice tones. It's a big double cupboard there, providing loads and loads of storage, and a loft access there. Nice colour carpet and radiator. So on my judgment, this room's probably the second room, or probably joint with another one, but it's a double bedroom. Again, we've got built-in wardrobe, so I'll just pan around and show you that there's a double bed in here with window to rear. And as I back off a little bit, we've got some wardrobes there. If you've got any questions for me as I'm going around, please feel free to type them and I'll answer them as I'm going around. I'll just give you a view out this window actually to the bridal way, which is, if you can see through these blinds, I'll try and angle them correctly so you can. So out the back there is the path and bridal way and garden. Just down there is the garden I was speaking about earlier. So looking around at this room again from this angle, this is the second bedroom. It's a double with big double wardrobes in them. Again, all neutrally decorated and carpeted, so nothing to do, just bring your furniture and you move into this one. So I'll take you into the next size bedroom. So they're all doubles, and I'll pan around from this corner here. Again, big double bed in this one. Window to the front, fitted blinds, which I believe would be included within the sale, neutral carpet, radiator, everything you'd expect. Got a big wardrobe in here as well behind the door. Okay, so that's the third bedroom, and then we've got another bedroom to the back of the property, which again, I'll just pan around and sort of show you. And then we've got stuff on the wardrobe. But again, a huge bit of furniture there filling this room. I'll turn around and face the other way so you can see this way. So that's the fourth double bedroom. So 4 double bedrooms, master with an ensuite, and storage on the landing. And here is the family bathroom. So that's the final piece of the jigsaw. We've got half tile walled and decored over, vanity sink, toilet with bath and shower off the taps there, and decorated walls, frosted window to the rear with fitted blinds. So fitted blinds all the way through, neutral carpets, neutral decor, plenty of living space downstairs. Superb for a family home. It's $250, it's been reduced already, I want to get people around here and see for themselves what's here. They may not have seen it as you come around Pasture Lane, but it's right in the corner of Pasture Lane, occupying a real nice plot. So a different shaped plot, opening different areas like the back garden, which is actually the front of the house, a side area which they've turned into a nice jacuzzi area, and the back garden, which is now a fantastic sun trap with patio area. So I'll just scan you around here again, and we're just about done. So remind you, it's on the market at £250,000. It's 4 bedrooms, ensuite, open plan living area, separate lounge, fantastic modern kitchen, and then this orange room which I'm stood in here. So if you're interested in this one, please give us a call at the office in Cleethorpes. It's 01472 200 666. Thank you very much.